Then the main statue, Shakyamuni. Shakyamuni. Master who established Buddhism in Tibet. Padmasambhava, and then particular Guru Thakur, Dhamar, the wrathful form of Padmasambhava. Here we have Siamukha, 8 manifestations of Padmasambhava. Here we have 16 Arahants who preserve the Buddhist knowledge. 16 Arahants. This is the previous Thubten who built this monastery, Drupal lineage. He is the great master yogi. He passed away, and then his reincarnation, now young, who runs the monastery now. His reincarnation, real reincarnation. This is a monk during the rainy season practice. Whole monk here for 1.5 month practice here. And this is the bell to call the monks. Avalokiteshvara, compassion God, or compassion Avalokiteshvara is compassion Bodhisattva, Kwani. It's an instrument. Throne of Siramuchi, and this one is Dalai Lama. And we have the other one, the throne of Yalon Drupal, head of Drupal. Now we have Tara. And then offerings. All these are Vajrayana tradition offering. That's why we have so many things. It's Tormas. And he is the fourth reincarnation of Jalong Trupa. Padmakarpa, very great scholar and yogi at that time in Tibet. Almost 15 to 15, let's say 14th to 15th century Tibet. And this is the relic shrine. He was also in Choeling in Nagola. Choeling. Thubten is the relic stupa of Thubten, the founder of this monastery.
Đây là sáu lợi của quý vị lên Đà Lạt và người sáng trong tu viện này.
So, I'll be So this is the relic stupa of His Eminence Thubten Rinpoche, the previous one, and now we have the his reincarnation who runs this Thubten Sangag Choeling Monastery at Dali in Darjeeling. And we have all these lineage masters. Lineage master, Kagyu lineage master. All Kagyu lineage master we have here, like Marpa, first Vajradhara, and then Tilopa, Naropa, Marpa, and Gampopa, and Milarepa, Gampopa, and Pamut. I think this is the Phagdu, Pamutrupa, and the great yogi. So you can see the Lingchen Repa. All these are lineage master. So we have very pure lineage coming from Buddha, and then to Tilopa, and then to Marpa, and then to Jalong Rupa. And this is the Chakra Sambhava, the manifestation of Chakra Sambhava. You know, Mount Kailash. He resides in Mount Kailash. Your next destination, Tibet. Okay? So this is the main deity of Kagyu lineage. This Guru Rinpoche and Avalokiteshvara and the statue of Thubten Rinpoche, the previous one. Notice. My brother. He is the chanting. The clinic of Dali Gompa, and now a lot of foggies here, but we have a statue, Buddha statue here in the garden. And underneath of this clinic, we have the old age home, and over there we have the monks' room and some depictions of Buddhas and Guru Padmasambhava, Avalokiteshvara. And this is small garden here, and over there maybe for lamp, to burn the lamp. So it's quite foggy today, but you can visit this place. Actually, it's a nice monastery. Hello. This is the cafe at Dali Monastery. And you can buy here sweets, biscuits, noodles, juice. The counter here. You can also eat here. You can sit here. The Tibetan tradition. And here we have a small supermarket shop. You can buy here a lot of things, cups, glass, stupas, and many more, the bells. And flask, dresses, monk dresses, bells, and many more. Some small souvenir and malas and creams and cosmetics. You can buy everything, and clothes. Miss Chow. Right now we are at Tara Temple on the top of the Dali Monastery, Thubten Choeling. And this Tara is quite famous. Whoever here comes and make a wish can be fulfilled. And this is the Green Tara, and now you can see here the other 21, the rest 21 Taras, almost many replicas of Taras. All are Taras here. Tara Thanka, as you can see here, and one throne of Yaman-Drukpa, the 12th, and the offering. And here we have the rest of the on her left side. So I think all are green Tara, and the lamp offering. And if you have time, you can visit this place and get blessing. And, as you can see from the side,